A cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange wherein individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger existing in a form of a computerized database using strong cryptography to secure transaction records, to control the creation of additional coins, and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. It typically does not exist in physical form and is typically not issued by a central authority. Cryptocurrencies typically use decentralized control as opposed to centralized digital currency and central banking systems. When a cryptocurrency is minted or created prior to issuance or issued by a single issuer, it is generally considered centralized. When implemented with decentralized control, each cryptocurrency works through distributed ledger technology, typically a blockchain, that serves as a public financial transaction database. Bitcoin, first released as open-source software in 2009, is the first decentralized cryptocurrency. Since the release of Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies have been created. In 1983, the American cryptographer David Chaum conceived an anonymous cryptographic electronic money called eCash. Later, in 1995, he implemented it through DigiCash, an early form of cryptographic electronic payments which required user software in order to withdraw notes from a bank and designate specific encrypted keys before it can be sent to a recipient. This allowed the digital currency to be untraceable by the issuing bank, the government, or any third party. In 1996, the National Security Agency published a paper entitled How to Make a Mint: The Cryptography of Anonymous Electronic Cash, describing a cryptocurrency system, first publishing it in an MIT mailing list and later in 1997. In the American Law Review, in 1998, Wei Dai published a description of B-money, characterized as an anonymous, distributed electronic cash system. Shortly thereafter, Nick Szabo described BitGold, like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that would follow it. BitGold was described as an electronic currency system which required users to complete a proof of work function with solutions being cryptographically put together and published. The first decentralized cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by presumably pseudonymous developer Satoshi Nakamoto. It used SHA-256, a cryptographic hash function, in its proof-of-work scheme. In April 2011, Namecoin was created as an attempt at forming a decentralized DNS, which would make internet censorship very difficult. Soon after, in October 2011, Litecoin was released. It used script as its hash function instead of SHA-256. Another notable cryptocurrency, Peercoin, used a proof-of-work, proof-of-stake hybrid. On the 6th of August 2014, the UK announced its Treasury had been commissioned a study of cryptocurrencies and what role, if any, they could play in the UK economy. The study was also to report on whether regulation should be considered. According to Jan Lansky, a cryptocurrency is a system that meets 6 conditions. In March 2018, the word cryptocurrency was added to the Merriam-Webster dictionary. Tokens, cryptocurrencies, and other types of digital assets that are not Bitcoin are collectively known as alternative cryptocurrencies, typically shortened to altcoins or altcoins. Paul Wigner of the Wall Street Journal also described altcoins as alternative versions of Bitcoin. Given its role as the model protocol for altcoin designers, the term is commonly used to describe coins and tokens created after Bitcoin. The list of such cryptocurrencies can be found in the List of Cryptocurrencies article. Altcoins often have underlying differences with Bitcoin. For example, Litecoin aims to process a block every 2.5 minutes, rather than Bitcoin's 10 minutes, which allows Litecoin to confirm transactions faster than Bitcoin. Another example is Ethereum, which has smart contract functionality that allows decentralized applications to be run on its blockchain. Ethereum is the most actively used blockchain in the world according to Bloomberg News and has the largest following of any altcoins according to the New York Times. Significant rallies across altcoin markets are often referred to as an alt season. A blockchain account can provide functions other than making payments. For example, in decentralized applications or smart contracts. In this case, the units or coins are sometimes referred to as crypto tokens. Cryptocurrencies are typically generated by their own blockchain like Bitcoin and Litecoin, whereas tokens are usually issued within a smart contract running on top of a blockchain such as Ethereum. Decentralized cryptocurrency is produced by the entire cryptocurrency system collectively, at a rate which is defined when the system is created and which is publicly known. In centralized banking and economic systems such as the Federal Reserve System, corporate boards or governments control the supply of currency.